So welcome back to 8th class. We were studying our chapter number 4, which is metals and non-metals. So what we are going to do, we are going to consider reaction number 4. In our previous lectures we have covered to the reactions 3, and now we are going to consider reactions with base. So reaction with base, so according to reaction with base, so when we react metals with base, so it will give you a huge amount of hydrogen. Okay, so that is a perfect sure question, that what will it give? It will give you a high evolution of hydrogen. जब आप इसको metals को इसके साथ react करवाओगे acids के साथ या base के साथ, तो आपको क्या देंगे? Obviously आपको देंगे वो hydrogen बहुत ही large amount में. और when you are going to react non-metals with base, it will gives you a complex substances. ये आपको complex substances देंगे which you will read in your higher standards, not in this standard. Okay, so now the reaction is reaction of metals with acids, which will give you the salts. Okay, so eventually it is a reaction of salts. You can say that in this there is a displacement reaction. So first we have to learn about displacement reaction. So what is displacement? So displacement जो word है ये खुद ही बता रहा है कि एक का दूसरे को हटाना, to displace. Okay, so displacement reactions are those in which high reactive metals displace less reactive metals. जो high reactive metal होगा वो less reactive metal को displace कर देगा, उसकी जगह पे आ जाएगा solution में. Okay, and जैसे कि आप देखो आपको ये वाली example दे रही है reaction की. In this reaction iron and copper sulfate are going to react and it will give you iron sulfate and copper. So okay, अब ये क्या डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन सा रिएक्ट जो है मेटल है वो कौन से को रिप्लेस करने वाला है. सो देयर इज गिवन यू अ प्रॉपर सीरीज. दिस इज कॉल्ड द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. इन दिस व्हाट यू हैव गिवन दैट द अपर मोस्ट एलिमेंट इज मोस्ट रिएक्टिव and the downward is least reactive. Okay, so the elements which lie above in this table can replace the downwards one. Okay, so like we have iron more reactive than copper, so iron can replace copper. So here we have a small activity. In this what you have to do, you have to take two test tubes in which you have to place first you have to place copper sulfate solution, means a blue colored solution, and a nail, iron nail. इसमें क्या करना है, टेस्ट ट्यूब लेके उसके अंदर आपको कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन रखना है जिसके अंदर आपको एक आयरन नेल लेनी है. ओके, सो अब क्या होगा, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन, दैट द कॉपर इज गोइंग टू डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय आयरन. ओके, सो कॉपर इज गेटिंग डिस्पोज्ड ऑन दिस आयरन नेल. जो कॉपर है उसके ट्रेसेस जो हैं वो आपके पास में इस नेल पे आने लग जाएंगे, आयरन नेल पे, मतलब कील पे. ओके, और जो ये जो है सॉल्यूशन है वो आपका वो FeSO4 में बन जाएगा, राइट. CuSO4 solution gets converted into FeSO4 solution, and here you given a reaction which is iron plus copper sulfate solution giving you iron sulfate solution and copper. Okay, so here copper is replaced by iron. Okay, so here is given to you. Now you have to just take a look on your books. There has given you a distinction between metals and non-metals according to their properties like ductility, sonoricity and many more properties. Okay, so you have to read it alone because हमने वो पहले अपने चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में डिस्कस किए कि वो क्या क्या होते हैं, कौन से मेटल्स में होते हैं, कौन से नॉन मेटल्स में होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू स्टडी दैट होल टेबल एंड गेटिंग योर पॉइंट्स राइटली. ओके, सो ऐसी और भी कई सारी रिएक्शंस होती है जिसमें क्या होता है कि हाईली रिएक्टिव जो मेटल होता है वो लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल को डिस्प्लेस कर देता है. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट सम यूजेस ऑफ मेटल्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज आयरन. सो आप जैसे देखोगे आयरन का क्या क्या यूज होता है, यू कैन सी that is used for grillings at your homes. Okay, so in pipes also iron is used, nails iron is used, cylinders are also made up of iron. Okay, so now we are moving to next to copper. So where copper is used, as you know, your wiring, home wiring is made up with copper or even aluminium. Okay, so here this is a common point in both copper and aluminium, that cables, home cables are also made up of copper and aluminium. And second advantage of copper is utensils are also made up of copper. In all utensils you can say. Okay, so aluminium. So aluminium, what is the use of aluminium? Aluminium is used for even cables and cooking vessels also. Okay, your cookers and your other cooking vessels are made up of aluminium. Okay, so now next is lead. Where lead is used? Lead is used in your pencils. It is a common example, and you can learn other examples too from your books. Okay, and gold and silver, which is used for, everyone knows that was used for jewelry and gold coins, etc. You can use jewelry or coins can be used of gold and silver because they are very precious metals, noble metals, and they are very costly also. And the last one is zinc. So zinc metal, which is used for prevention of rust. Okay, rust will happen on iron. So okay, iron को prevent करने के लिए zinc coating दी जाती है. We provide a zinc coating on iron for prevention it from rust. Okay, so these are the common examples. So about next metals we will study in our next lecture, and other things which are pending, so we will study in our next lecture. So thank you, stay safe, stay home.